The unexamined life is not worth living. Wise men speak because they have something to say. Fools because they have to say. Justice means minding your own business, and not meddling with other men's concerns. At the touch of love, everyone becomes a poet. One of the penalties for refusing to participate in politics is that you end up being governed by your inferiors. Courage is knowing what not to fear. Ignorance, the root and stem of all evil. The measure of a man is what he does with power. The first and greatest victory is to conquer yourself. Philosophy begins in wonder. Ideas are the source of all things. A good decision is based on knowledge and not on numbers. The just man is most free from disturbance, while the unjust is full of that most disturbance. Ignorance, when voluntary, is criminal. The heaviest penalty for declining to rule is to be ruled by someone inferior to yourself. We can easily forgive a child who is afraid of the dark. The real tragedy of life is when men are afraid of the light. The direction in which education starts a man will determine his future in life. The greatest wealth is to live content with little. Love is born into every human being. It calls back the halves of our original nature together. It tries to make one out of two and heal the wound of human nature.